people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're gonna be making Bobolo at home. So guys, let's get down to business. The first thing we're gonna do will be to peel our cassavas as follows. After peeling your cassava, open it up and remove the string in the middle. Thus, take out the middle part. Make sure all of it is taken out. Presenting to you your washed cassava. So we're going to go ahead and chop our cassava. So we're going to go ahead and add lukewarm water. So we're going to cover this up and place on the kitchen counter where it's warm. And we're going to check after 3 days or 1 week. See you later. Guys, it's been approximately 2 weeks of soaking our cassava. In Cameroon, guys, it will actually take you just 3 days to 1 week to soak your cassava or ferment your cassava to the desired result. So we're just going to unveil and see what we have. So let me drain this and see you later. Guys, so the water we use in fermenting our cassava has been drained. The next thing we're going to do will be to wash this. So I'm going to put fresh water, wash this, and I'll see you guys again. So I'm just going to gently take this out because they are soft, and I'll transfer into another bowl. So let's do this together. Wash your hands, guys, because you're going to need your hands a lot during this process. Guys, remember that at the initial stage, we actually took out the middle rope-like part of the cassava. So it will be easy for us to proceed at this stage. So go ahead and check your cassava if you still have some rope-like structures in your cassava. Something like this. And then you take them out. So once you have controlled and checked, and you confirm that all the rope-like structures are out, take this and blend in a blender with little water as much as possible. So I'm going to blend this and see you later. So our cassava has been well blended. If you don't have a gigantic blender, you can use a little more water. If you have a strong power engine blender, you can actually use as little water as possible. I'm just going to grab a clean cloth like this, put the blended cassava in the cloth. Guys, this is the time to flex your muscles. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze this up onto dry. So guys, when squeezing, do not squeeze to be too dry. So this is what we have. If you touch, you can still see that it's very soft. So we're going to proceed as follows. So we're going to get an extended length of aluminium foil with a parchment paper on it. And then we proceed as follows. You can actually use a spoon to scoop, but I'm going to be using my hand. So guys, we're going to proceed like this. Get some of the starchy content and line it up like this. So if you want it thick, increase the amount. So we're just going to fold this. Like this. I prefer to fold the parchment paper first. And I'm gonna pour my aluminum foil over it. So you can either make your bobolo thick or thin. So I'm going to twist the edges like this. And I'm going to twist the other one too. I'm going to go ahead and use a baking thread to tie my bobolo. I'm going to make a tie at the beginning and then I proceed like this. You want those characteristic lines on bobolo to be formed, so this is how you proceed. Then you tie again at the end. So this is what we have. Go ahead and use a kitchen scissors to trim the edges off, or to cut the edges off and part of the rope. So this is your bobolo. Place this in a pot. You can place it folded if your pot is small. I'm just going to create a semicircle like this. So this is your bobolo. Place this in a pot with little water and some support at the bottom. I'm actually using some corn sticks. So this is my bobolo. Keep this aside and continue to tie. So we're going to go ahead now and place a lid over it and boil. Please do well to monitor your water level while your bobolo is boiling. So I'm going to cook this for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. So see you later. Guys, just for some little correction, I'm going to be boiling for approximately 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes on medium heat. So guys, we're going to check our bobolo at this point. I think this has been boiling for approximately 1 hour. So I'm just going to remove the smallest one and open to see if everything is ready. Guys, I guess our bobolo is ready and it's smelling real good.